somebody come up to us and asked us about our roof. We needed it after some wind damage had happened. We were leaking water upstairs. And they made it really easy, really effortless. We had a couple other companies coming up to us beforehand who were really trying to beat around the bush and kind of make us do all the paperwork and all the insurance and this and that, and we had no idea what was going on. But Odyssey Contracting, they made it so easy for us that we didn't have to do any of the paperwork. They called the insurance company for us. Only thing we had to do was go to the bank, and that was it. Oh, they did an excellent job. They had tarps laying down everywhere, catching all the debris. If anything that fell, they caught it right away. And I believe they even had somebody come back and just go over the yard and check to see if there was any nails or... And everything's been great. Haven't had a leak yet. Everybody should only deal with Odyssey Contracting.
Yeah, they delivered everything they promised, and everything was real professional.
If you were to have storm damage again, would you call them, you think?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Awesome.